So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually get these buttons working. So when this app first starts, I know that I want it to go just to my home page. I'm going to name these. So I've got home page, I've got mains, I've got sweet treats. Sweet treats. Okay, so my 3 pages. So when the green flag is clicked, I want to switch to this costume. So on the backdrop, go to the code, and I want, when the green flag is clicked, when the green flag is clicked, switch to costumes, that's looks, switch to backdrop, homepage. Click the green flag, and it's going to that page for me. Okay, now what I need to happen is when I go to this home page, I need all of these buttons to appear. So we can do the same piece of code for all of those. When the green flag is clicked, we're going to show. And I can just drag and drop. When it wiggles, it means that we know we're on the right one. And we'll have all of them. Okay, so I put that code on all the buttons. So when we click stop, they'll all appear. Now, when I click the mains button, I want it to switch to the main screen. So what we're going to do is go again onto our backdrop. And what we need to do is when this is clicked, oh no, sorry, let me think about this properly. On the button itself, when the button is clicked, so when this sprite clicked, we're going to do something called broadcast. So what broadcast does is it shouts out a message, and the message is going to be, new message is going to be mains. So that when we click this button, it's going to shout out mains. Now when the backdrop hears that message, so backdrop, when I receive mains, the looks, we're going to switch to backdrop, mains. So what should happen is if I click mains, it switches to that backdrop called mains. Now, obviously all the buttons need to disappear when it receives that. So on here, when I receive mains, so this is the mains button, even the mains button is going to hide. So we go to looks, and we're going to go down to hide. And again, every button, this is going to happen with every button except for my homepage button. I want my homepage button to stay. So now what should happen is if I click mains, all of the buttons disappear. Next thing we need to do is get this homepage button working. So I'm going to go to the homepage. And again, events. When this sprite is clicked, we want it to show that mains page again. So we need to broadcast something. Broadcast, new message, home page. Okay, so if we stop and start it, so when I click mains, when I click on home page, nothing is happening because we haven't told anything to happen. So what we want to happen is with each of these buttons, well, the first thing first, we need the stage to switch back. So when I receive home page, and obviously this one is switched to backdrop, home page. With each of these, it's going to be when I receive home page. When I receive home page, you're going to show because we need them to appear on the screen. So drag onto sweet treats. And then if we click mains, homepage, it brings us back. Okay, and then you just keep working through like that to get it working.